Cleaning data in Looker Studio is essential for accurate reporting and visualization. Here's how to do it. Open your report, log in, visit datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Select a report. Open an existing report or create a new one where you want to clean data. Add or edit data source. Edit data source. In the report editor, click on Resource in the top menu and select Manage Edit Data Sources. Click on the data source you want to clean. Use data source fields. Create calculated fields. Click Add a field to create calculated fields for data transformation. Use formulas to clean data, such as the following, to handle null values, remove extra spaces, or standardize data formats. Filter data. Apply filters to exclude unwanted data. Click Add a filter and configure conditions to exclude or include specific data points. Apply data transformations. Edit dimensions and metrics. Modify existing dimensions and metrics for accuracy. Adjust settings in the data source panel to ensure correct data representation. Validate and save. Review data. Check your visualizations to ensure data is cleaned as expected. Save. Click Save to keep your changes.